everyone, I am Anupriya, and today's video is something different because today I will teach you how to teach students or kids in a playway method, how to make props so that student or your kids wanted to learn the new topic, new subject, new alphabets. Okay, they will enjoy while they will learning. So it's all playway method. Okay, so we're going to start now. Making props, we need some items like we need the stick cardboard, one scale, one scissor and one sketch pen. That things is enough. Okay, now on that thick sheet just make boxes with the help of a scale and start writing all the vowels and consonants like k, kh, g, kh, a, e. So you'll write all the vowels and consonants on these boxes. Now cut them into small square shaped pieces like you can see in this picture how I am cutting, and now you can use these probes to play with kids. After making the probe, I gave all this to my son so that he can arrange all the vowels and the consonants alphabetically in their sequence, like from A to AH and from K to G. So you can see here, so he is arranging them all. So as you see that how the kids can learn the alphabets like vowels and consonant, and also they will enjoy all the things. So this is a very good method. So please everyone use this to teach your kids.